Hey, I'd like to welcome you to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. This is Mixology Monday. One of my favorite things to do at home when I'm entertaining family, friends, and loved ones is to pretend that I'm a bartender. So I've come up with a few recipes over the years, and I'm going to share one of them with you today. This is called a Morven Martini. Morven is the hometown that I grew up in, and one of the crops that we produced in abundance was peaches. And so this is going to feature crown peach and crown royal peach, and it's going to be a delicious, refreshing summer cocktail, evening cocktail, nightcap, whenever you want to drink it. It's a great drink. Be sure, before we get into our recipe, hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications. It helps the channel out so that you guys will know when I'm putting out new videos and new recipes. Stay tuned. This cocktail has a few ingredients in it. The star of the show is our crown royal peach. It's the hit of the summer. Came out a few years ago and people have been going crazy over it ever since. We're also going to use some peach sweet tea from Publix. As a mixer, we're going to use some honey, and we're also going to use the juice of one lemon and also use some of the lemon peel as a garnish. We're going to put everything into our nice shaker here and then serve our martini in our trusty martini glass. Okay, we're going to start off with our lemon. So we're going to put in the juice of one lemon. The thing that makes a cocktail taste amazing when you make it at home is that you're using all fresh ingredients, and the juice of the lemon, while it's important in the cocktail, is really these oils, these flavorful oils that you're expressing into your shaker. Our next ingredient, put in a teaspoon of honey. Very southern kind of drink. Next, we're going to put in about a quarter cup of this peach tea from Publix. Lastly, we're going to put in about 3 ounces, a little bit more probably, of our crown royal peach. I just stopped pouring when I heard my ancestors tell me, baby, that's enough. We want to make a garnish for our cocktail. So what I'm going to do is simply cut a little off center, and then I'm going to come back on the bigger side that I left, and I'm going to cut a thin slice of lemon. And then what I'm going to do is take out these seeds, because you don't want those on your garnish. And then last thing you want to do is just cut that in half. You can save the other half for another garnish, for another glass. And then lastly, what I like to do here is just come and cut a small little slit along one of the veins of my lemon. And we take our glass and we just rest it like that. And now you've got your garnish. All right, time for the fun part. I want you to give this a vigorous shake, because you've got to dissolve the honey in here. You've got that sweet tea. You've got the spirit, the crown peach in there. So you want to give this a good, stiff shake. And if you've done this right, you should, if you have a metal shaker, you're going to have some ice develop from the condensation on the outside. You want it cold. There's my ice. You can't feel it, but there's my ice. You can't see it, but there it is. So I got that shaken up nicely, and let us pour a cocktail up. This will make enough martini for 2 adults or 1 real thirsty adult. In my case, 1 adult's here. And that, my friends, is our Morven Martini. So let's see what we got, guys. Oh, man, that is unbelievably refreshing and delicious. You've got a very balanced and subtle hint of honey coming through with the peach flavor from not only the Crown Royal peach, but from your peach iced tea from Publix. And you got this beautiful citrus note on the very end because of the lemon. Guys, that is what I call my Morven Martini. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications so that you guys can see whenever I post new videos. That was our Mixology Monday. I'm Jamison, and this